This is the 2005 Jeep Liberty CRD, or common rail diesel, that I bought with evidently is only running on 3 cylinders. So we're going to try and troubleshoot why. With a diesel engine, it's compression ignition. So you've got air, fuel, and compression. So we lost one of those things in one of the cylinders. Because air is common to all 4 cylinders and the other 3 are running, we can rule out air. Fuel is a possibility, we'll talk about that, and then compression is the most likely. So first step is I want to give you a bit of a background here, start her up, see what she sounds like, and then start doing the troubleshooting. So the backstory here is about 4 months ago, the previous owner bought this and he was having a overheating problem, chronic overheating problem at freeway speeds. So around town it was fine. He'd get up on the freeway and sustain 70 miles an hour and it would start to overheat. It does look like, I'll show you in a second, it does look like they replaced the thermostat housing, so somebody's done cooling system work on this trying to solve the overheating problem. But then in the previous owner's ownership time, he managed to have some type of catastrophic failure to drop a cylinder that may be related to the overheating. So let me give this a crank and see if she'll start, and then see what it sounds like. I can smell raw fuel coming out the exhaust, so I don't think it's a fuel injector. I think the fuel injector is firing. I think we've lost compression in that one cylinder, so one back. All right, I got one of the intercooler pipes off. Start it again, see what it does. So it looks like we're losing our compression out the intake. So probably one of the intake valves is stuck open, or the rocker arm is jammed it up and something's mechanically wrong with that intake valve. And that's why we've got pressure coming out of this tube here. I'm going to try that injector test next. Okay, this is with all the injectors disconnected. See if the cranking sounds normal. Definitely missing on one of those cylinders, so we got to tear into it and figure out why that intake valve, I believe it's the intake valve, one of the cylinders is not closing over there, so stay tuned.